so much always happening up here at the top of Anakeesta that Sandy and I can't cover it by ourselves. So we actually have Maggie, the social media manager, following along to help us out.
Thank you for joining us here at Anakeesta. My name is Maggie. I wanted to tell you all a little bit about our newest event for spring. It's called Blooms and Tunes. It kicked off April 2nd and it runs through May 23rd. And it's really just a celebration of spring and revitalization in the mountains here in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We have spring-themed foods, spring-themed cocktails for those of you who enjoy that sort of thing.
So let's start with behind us. What do we see back here that's new for Blooms and Tunes?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, part of our new initiative is, like I said, to celebrate spring. So what better way to celebrate spring than with flowers, right? A theme for us here is art in the mountains. So you've got this paint palette back here. It's actually made by Brainchild Creative. It's a local company here in Knoxville, Tennessee. And they're really amazing. Here you can see the flowers that are actually supposed to be the paint in the paint palette over here. And then over there, if you can see that, you can see paint tubes and the flowers are spilling out of that like paint. So it really is about painting that picture of spring here in the mountains.
I even love how they pay attention to the detail of each paintbrush and how it says Anakeesta on each one.
Can you tell how the paint and the colors of the paint are the flowers coming down the hill? It is so awesome.
I love how everywhere you look for this Blooms and Tunes festival, there's great big bursts of color everywhere from the flower sculptures.
And we have spring themed events Thursday through Sunday. We have music from, anywhere from noon to 9, depending on what time the park closes.
We've been here a few times, but this looks completely new. Can you talk about it?
Yeah, absolutely. This is our new ramp. It goes into Vista Gardens and lets people experience our gardens in a new way. You can see the mountains on this side as you go up the ramp, and it actually provides really great access to people in wheelchairs and with strollers so that they can experience our new Vista Gardens easier and just have a great time.
Walkway is amazing. If you've been to Anakeesta, you've got to come back because this gives you a whole new view of the mountains. Food trucks are always popular, but I noticed behind me you got something different up here.
Yeah, in our new Vista Gardens area, we have a new addition food truck. It's called the Happy Camper. And for everyone who is a little bit thirsty or just have a little hunger cravings, you can stop here at the Happy Camper and get whatever you would like. We've got Gatorade, water, beer, for those of you who are really into that, and a few snacks like chips.
Sandy, paw print or hand print? Let us know in the comments what you think. Out here in Anakeesta, I've heard you guys are offering something new for couples, and with the incredible view, I can't wait to hear about it if you can tell us.
Yeah, definitely. Well, we actually are starting to offer wedding packages here at Anakeesta, and right here is one of the places we'll be offering wedding services at the Pergola Overlook. As you can see, it's got this gorgeous view for guests, for you, and your loved ones, just to make that moment so perfect. We're also offering 3 other spots in the park, including the Heart Twiggly, which is probably one of the most famous spots for couples to get their picture taken. And you can head to the website anakeesta.com to learn more about that.
A fun tip. Keep a hold of this wristband. If you come up during the day, you definitely want to come back up at sunset when it's all aglow at night and walk amongst the trees. I love how they keep with that paint theme, and look at their oil paints and how it matches with the color of the flowers squirting out of it. This is unbelievable. I love this artistic touch that they've provided out here. Every time we come out here, there's always new things to see, do, eat. And all around us, I'm seeing a lot of new stuff. Can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, well, we are so excited to bring new here at Anakeesta. And right here behind us is something that just opened last week. It's called the Watering Can. It offers sandwiches, wraps, healthy snacks, water, other kinds of drinks, and also for those of you gardeners out there, a ton of gardening products that you can take home with you. So you can take a little piece of the Smoky Mountains with you back to wherever you're from.
Look at this new shop they have. Wow. So lots of offerings of drinks, all sorts of, even your coffee. And sandwiches for the perfect picnic on top of Anakeesta Mountain.
Over here, we also have Vista Plaza, named so after our Anakeesta Tower. Seating for 200. You can see the beautiful views of the mountains here to the left. And there'll be music and all kinds of fun stuff coming up here.
While you're out here, definitely take the time to check out and enjoy this all-new seating area right by Anakeesta Tower. I love how Anakeesta gives an opportunity to hang out, not only during the daytime to get those great mountain views, but also at night in the evenings. They have fire pits placed throughout the complex, including up here by the Anakeesta Tower, a new fire pit being built that's going to be incredible yet again to enjoy those amazing views. If you're curious, just how high up are we? 1,947 feet above sea level.
The panoramic view up here is unlike any other.
Wow, up here, you want some amazing views? Take advantage of the clear glass that you can look straight down and really get a sense of how high up you are. Sandy, I gotta do it.
No, please don't. Please,
I gotta do it.
Please don't. Oh my God.
Look at that. Solid.
What's so amazing about this view is that you can actually see 3 different states.
So for those not familiar with Black Bear Village Plaza, can you tell us a little bit about what's behind us?
Yeah, this is our newest restaurant, Cliff Top. It's an elevated dining experience. Whenever you come here, you can enjoy the beautiful views of the Great Smoky Mountain and wonderful foods like our bison burger, our signature salads, drinks, all within this beautiful view in here. And then, of course, to our right, you have the tap house. You can just walk up and grab a drink and then go to the bar at the top of the world and look at all the beautiful sights here at Anakeesta.
In the summertime, I love how they even have this splash zone for kids and adults. Where else can you go to get unique photo opportunities such as this?
The opportunities are endless.
We'd really love to have everyone come out and enjoy spring here at Anakeesta and in Gatlinburg with us.
Wow. Blooms and tunes at Anakeesta is incredible.
Everything Anakeesta does all year long, their festivals, the events, they always go over the top and do an amazing job.
Yeah, and you know what my very favorite time of day to come here on top of this mountain? Sunset.
It's incredible up here. It's so peaceful, so tranquil.
Yeah.
We want to thank Anakeesta so much for bringing us up. Thanks to Maggie for showing us around.
Oh, yeah. That was fun.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, because you really never know where we're going to end up next. Make sure to make each and every day, including those all in bloom, an adventure that rocks.